Well, good morning, Brazos Valley in Central Texas. It's going to be another hot afternoon. We're going to be expecting temperatures 105, 106, even 107 in some areas. We still have an excessive heat warning in places under the purple for some of our counties there, but even some of the areas in the orange that are in the heat advisory range still want everyone to be acting like we're under that excessive heat warning. Very, very dangerous heat is going to be coming through for the next couple of days. Taking a look at our weekend forecast here, 107 potentially later on this afternoon. Could be seeing temperatures once again for our Sunday, 105. So still going to be very, very warm throughout the weekend, even if we don't have that excessive heat warning for our Sunday. But taking a look at the next couple of hours here, yeah, it doesn't look very pretty. Around 10 a.m. we're going to be in the low 90s. Around noon, triple digits going to feel like 103, 104. Heading around 2 o'clock going to be about 104, 105. And then around 4 o'clock later on this afternoon, could be seeing temperatures 105, 106, even 107. Really going to feel like temperatures in the 109, 110 range. So really want to make sure you're taking care of yourself, staying inside if you can. But if you do have to be outside, maybe for a job site, make sure you're staying hydrated and taking breaks in the shade. If you are inside, make sure you're checking in on the sick and the elderly and those that don't actually have AC. Make sure that everyone is being safe. If you are going to be driving somewhere, make sure you're not leaving anyone, any kids or pets alone in the car for any period of time. Those cars can get very, very warm very, very quickly, and that's very, very dangerous. Now, if you are going to be outside today, make sure you're limiting that time outdoors. Make sure you're finding shade, and of course, drink water even if you're not feeling very thirsty. But we are going to see plenty of sunshine for the next couple of hours throughout our afternoon. A small cold front's coming through the area later on this evening, which could bring in the potential for some storms, maybe a couple of showers, mostly north of Waco, but for the most part, it's not going to be very long-lived. As we head further into our Sunday, that's where we're going to see plenty more sunshine coming through once again, so very warm temperatures are going to be expected. Could see a couple of showers, but really for the most part, we're going to be staying nice and dry heading into the next couple of days. And looking at our drought monitor, we really could be using some of that rain, but it doesn't look like we're going to be getting much of it heading anytime soon, west of I-35, especially seeing some areas still in the extreme and the exceptional range for that. But taking a closer look at today, 107, 109 potentially over in Temple and Killeen, about 106 over in College Station. So really want to make sure you're hydrating for today. It's going to be very, very hot out there and very, very dangerous if you're outside for long periods of time. Now later on tonight, we'll cool down a little bit into the upper 70s, low 80s, but then heading into tomorrow, once again, back into the 105, 106 range for those temperatures. As we head further throughout the rest of our week, we're still going to be in the triple digits. We'll cool down a little bit, but still going to be very, very warm out there. Make sure you're hydrating, staying in the shade, and staying safe.